This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through upgrading the cellular module in your base station. There will be opportunities to pause and complete the steps throughout this tutorial. We're here to support you during this update, so don't worry. Thousands of customers just like you have worked through these steps. If you do not feel comfortable completing this upgrade yourself, we're here to help at 888-734-2792. You will need a small and standard-sized Phillips head screwdriver to complete this upgrade. Before getting started, you must check your system updates on your keypad. To do this, follow the steps on the screen. Now make sure your system is disarmed by placing it in off mode on your keypad or app. Next, remove the power cable from the bottom of the base station. Then, unscrew the battery compartment and remove one battery. These 3 steps ensure there's no power going to the base station, which is important for this update to work. Next, rotate the base station cone counterclockwise and lift it off. The cellular module is the L-shaped circuit board you see here. To take it out, first remove the screw attaching the cellular module to the base station, like this. Pull the cellular module out of its slot, then unplug the connector from the cellular module. The connector is the component you see here. It may take a little force to remove the connector. Do not pull the cellular module. This could damage the connector. Instead, hold the cellular module in place and pull by the connector. Next, you'll install your new cellular module. First, plug the connector from the base station into the connector port on the new cellular module. Don't force the connector in. If it doesn't fit, try plugging it into the other connector port if there is one available. Then, insert the cellular module back into the slot at a 45-degree angle. It should sit between these plastic tabs. You might need to move the connecting wire out of the way for the cellular module to slide in correctly. Then, screw the cellular module back into the base station. Tuck the wire back in once the cellular module is screwed into place. If the wires are twisted, leave them this way. Now turn the base station so the cellular module is on your right. Align the cone so the SimpliSafe logo is facing you. Slide the cone over the base station, then twist clockwise until it snaps into place. To connect to the cellular network, the base station must be completely powered off. So if you forgot to remove the battery in the beginning, please do that now. Now, replace the battery, screw the cover back into place, and reinsert the power cable. Your system should reconnect in 1 to 2 minutes. When armed, your base station light will turn blue if the installation was successful. To confirm that your new cellular module is working, use your keypad to activate test mode. After you receive your test signal, please reconnect your base station Wi-Fi. To do this, follow the steps on screen. Great job! You have successfully updated your cellular module. Any questions? We're here to help at 888-734-2792.